it's Melissa and welcome back to another video. Today I decided I am gonna try doing a vlog-ish, or I don't know, something, but I'm gonna be drawing on the windows in front and I want to do a time lapse. Right now I'm on my way to get coffee at Duck Donuts because I am just not having any luck at all with coffee. Like, I went to make coffee in my coffee pot. The coffee pot broke. And then I went to make it in a Keurig. And I forgot to put a cup of coffee, like a coffee mug, under the Keurig. And all 3 cups of coffee came pouring out all over the counter, all over the floor. And I didn't even know because I was in my room. And then I checked to get coffee from coffee booths. They're closed. So we're gonna try Duck Donuts. So I just got my coffee. Oh, almost would. I got my coffee and I got my donuts. Here they are. They're so hard to open. Wait, I'm gonna steal one anyway. Look how good they look. They are still hot. So good. Hopefully you can see me. So on Saturday night I ordered a drone and I got it yesterday in the mail. So I took it out yesterday to learn how to attempt to fly it, but it didn't get off the ground. So I decided I'll try one more time. Yeah, using this. I got a really cheap drone off Amazon. Here it is. It's a little lens. It's just the beginner one. I'm really glad I got the beginner one because these are hard. Came with 2 batteries. I had this one charging. Nothing's wrong. There we go. And got over there. It's another charger. Okay. And then it came with a controller, and there is an app on my phone I had to get. So there we go. You have to take the case off. DEFPV, that is the app. And you are going to turn the remote on. That's on. And then you are going to turn the drone on. Go. Oh my god! Stop! Right. Phone is in. It's connected. Here's the front. Alright. It's plugged in. That is facing there. Let's see. Attempt number 1.
Is it going to go up in the air?
It's not going to go that high. I can barely get it off the ground.